Welcome to our comparison of the Samsung Galaxy A37 and the Galaxy A57 for the 2026 series. We'll explore the key differences between these two devices. Both devices share a unified design and a strong software commitment, including native AI capabilities. They are, however, tailored to distinct user needs. The Galaxy A37 5G, or the Smart Performer, features a glossy glass finish and a premium composite frame. It is 7.4 mm thin and weighs 196 grams. The Galaxy A57 5G, the Premium Edge, boasts a polished glass rear panel and a flagship-grade metal frame. It is ultra-slim at 6.9 mm, with 1.5 mm ultra-thin display bezels. Both phones prioritize eye comfort, eliminating older display flicker issues. The 120 Hz fluid refresh rate smooths all motion, and 1900 nits peak brightness ensures clear viewing. In the display matrix, the A37 uses a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED. The A57 upgrades to a Super AMOLED Plus panel, creating a thinner phone and delivering tighter contrast ratios. The A37 uses the Exynos 1480 at 2.75 GHz, providing a significant 162% NPU jump. The A57 features the Exynos 1680 at 2.9 GHz, supporting flagship-tier gaming and 4K rendering. The A37 has a standard integrated vapor chamber, while the A57 features a 13% larger vapor cooling chamber. This larger chamber guarantees sustained frame rates under pressure. The A37, the Essential Suite, features a 12 megapixels front camera. The rear system includes an 8 megapixels ultra-wide, a 50 megapixels wide-angle with OIS, and a 5 megapixels macro camera. The A57, the Pro upgrade, includes an upgraded 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera and a 50 megapixels wide-angle with OIS. An advanced image signal processor reveals low-light detail. Both models feature deep system-level AI, with Bixby, Gemini Live, and Perplexity running natively. The A57 adds exclusive editing tools like Best Face and Instant Slow-Mo. Both models are built to last, offering 6 generations of Android OS updates and 6 years of security patches via Samsung Knox. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and IP68 water resistance protect the phone. The A37 base configuration starts at 38,760 rupees, with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. The A57 Premium starts at 54,980 rupees, with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Both utilize fast LPDDR5X RAM. In summary, the A57 offers a metal frame, Super AMOLED Plus, Exynos 1680, a larger cooling chamber, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, while the A37 provides strong features at a lower price point. The A37 offers maximum value and everyday excellence. The A57 provides ultimate performance, metal luxury, and pro-level creation. Both guarantee a flicker-free 120 Hz eye comfort experience.